Hello, I'm Alberto Perdón. I'm product manager from IoT and AI wearables at SPARK Microsystems. SPARK Microsystems focus in the development of ultra-wideband transceivers for data communication, focusing low latency, ultra-low power, and deterministic performance. So we are using our SR1120 transceiver for ultra-wideband. We use a low-energy ultra-wideband technology. So we developed the time of flat ranging for make positioning. So we have the 3 anchors. We made the distance measurement between the tag and the anchor using a very low power consumption. One of the values that we have is our anchors don't need to be synchronized. So that reduces incredibly the cost of the implementation, reduce the power optimization of the tag. So today we want to showcase some of the applications that we have. Some of them are real products in the market. So the first use case that we have is the reference design headset. It's the first 9624 fully uncompressed audio quality using ultra-wideband 1120 transceiver. On the other side, we have the gaming segment. We have a 150 microns 8K, real 8K mouse. The same as the keyboard for all the gaming applications that real 8K. So for industrial and healthcare applications, we are offering a full certified ultra-wideband 1120 module. This module will be focused for all the robotics and all the optimized low volume applications that require to take one product, go plug and play, not think about certifications. You don't need to learn about ultra-wideband. You only need to install as any other product and you have your ultra-wideband technology working. This is one of our tags. You can see it's a simple 2032 coin cell. This battery working at 4 Hz can survive for more than 1 year. So it's running 24/7. There is no accelerometer to turn on or turn off the devices, only because the low power of 1120 capability. You can see the graph of the ranging between the tag and the anchor. If I move back, I have the distance. If I come back, I have the distance. So I have the point-to-point distance measurement. The value of this technology is that it's so low power that I can make ranging with all the anchors. I don't need to have the anchors synchronized. They can be only powered, and I can make a perfect relation between of them. One of the advantages is that if you see in this part of the graph, we have the ranging, but also you have the accelerometer that is actually transmitting data. So if I move it, you can see the acceleration graph. If I stay stable, go almost to 0. At the same time, if you see the LED, color red, if I select a color green, the tag will change the color. That means that we can transfer data from the system to the tag at the same time that you are doing ranging, at the same time that you are transferring data from the accelerometer, again, with extremely low power. Our product can serve multiple segments. One of them is, for example, healthcare and industrial applications in robotics, where you need a deterministic performance, where power maybe is not as critical, but to send high data rate, lower latency, and deterministic performance is critical. There is no other technology that can do that, and we are serving and we are penetrating several applications in this field. In healthcare, all the wearables that the patients use in the bed needs to be using a wire today. That's uncomfortable for everyone. Visit our website. We have the monthly webinars. We have also technical trainings. You can contact any of our FAEs and we'll be more than happy to serve you. Our website is sparkmicro.com.